How to fix top part of lock screen wallpaper blurred in iOS 26. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the top part of your lock screen wallpaper looks blurry on your iPhone. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important fixes. Let's get started. Now the first fix we're going to try is setting a new wallpaper, but not from the Settings app. Instead, we're going to do it directly from the Photos app because this helps avoid that blur at the top. So go ahead and open your Photos app. Select the image you want to use as your lock screen wallpaper. Once the photo is open, tap Edit at the bottom. Then tap Crop. From here, tap the Aspect Ratio option at the top. Choose the Wallpaper Ratio. Now slightly crop the image just a tiny bit. Don't crop too much, especially if there's an important part of the photo you want to keep visible. Now tap the share icon at the bottom left and choose Use as Wallpaper. Set it as your lock screen and check if the blur at the top is gone. If that didn't work, let's try another fix. When you're setting the wallpaper, look at the icon next to the three dots at the top. This is the Spatial Wallpaper option. This feature adds a cool 3D depth effect, but it can also cause bugs, including the blurry top section. Turn off the Spatial Wallpaper option and then set the wallpaper again. For many people, this alone fixes the issue instantly. Now here's another trick that works surprisingly well. Open the wallpaper image again in your Photos app and zoom in until the image fills the entire screen without any gaps. Once it looks full screen, take a screenshot by pressing the Volume Up button and the Power button at the same time. After that, open the screenshot and set that image as your lock screen wallpaper. Since screenshots are already perfectly sized to your screen, this usually removes the blur at the top completely. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and simple iPhone tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.